Have you ever finished a long workday and thought, where did all my time go? You spent hours writing emails, searching for information, editing documents, designing graphics, and doing tasks that feel like they should take minutes instead of hours. Now imagine this. What if AI could do 80% of that work for you? What if tools existed that could write content in seconds, build presentations automatically, turn meetings into notes instantly, create professional graphics in minutes, even edit your videos for you? And the craziest part? Most of these tools are completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you 15 powerful AI tools that can realistically save you 10 or more hours every single week. Some of these tools are so powerful that once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. And make sure you stay until the end, because tool number 15 is something most people haven't discovered yet. And it might completely change how you create content. Let's get started. Tool 1. ChatGPT, your AI assistant. Let's start with the tool that changed everything. ChatGPT. This AI works like a super intelligent assistant that can help you with almost any task. Instead of staring at a blank page for 20 minutes trying to start writing something, you can simply ask ChatGPT. For example, write a professional email, summarize a long article, generate blog ideas, create a YouTube script. In seconds, you get results. Students use it to understand difficult topics. Entrepreneurs use it to brainstorm business ideas. Content creators use it to write scripts and captions. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to write, ChatGPT gives you a starting point instantly. And that alone can save multiple hours every week. But this next tool is even better for organizing your life. Tool 2. Notion AI, Smart Workspace. If ChatGPT is your assistant, Notion AI is like your second brain. Notion is a workspace where you can organize notes, projects, tasks, ideas, research. But when you add AI, it becomes incredibly powerful. Let's say you have pages of messy notes from a meeting. Instead of manually organizing everything, Notion AI can instantly summarize the notes, create task lists, highlight key points. It can even turn a rough idea into a structured document or plan. For people who work with lots of information, this tool can save hours of organization time every week. But what if writing is your biggest struggle? The next tool fixes that instantly. Tool 3. Grammarly AI, your personal editor. Everyone makes writing mistakes. Typos, grammar issues, awkward sentences. But Grammarly fixes them automatically. It acts like a professional editor that follows you everywhere online. While you type, Grammarly checks your writing and suggests improvements. It can also improve sentence clarity, make your writing more professional, adjust tone for emails and messages. So if something sounds too harsh or unclear, Grammarly helps fix it. For students, professionals, and writers, this tool removes the stress of worrying about writing perfectly. And the free version is powerful enough for most people. Now let's move to something visual. Tool 4. Canva AI, design in minutes. Design used to require complicated software like Photoshop. But Canva changed everything. With Canva AI, you can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, logos, posters, all in minutes. Even if you have zero design experience. Here's the crazy part. You can now type a simple prompt like, create a YouTube thumbnail about AI productivity, and Canva will generate designs instantly. It can also remove image backgrounds, generate graphics, create entire presentations automatically. For content creators and businesses, this tool alone can save several hours every week. But what about research? Let's talk about the next AI tool. Tool 5. Perplexity AI. AI search engine. Most people still use Google the old way. You search something, then open 10 different tabs trying to find the answer. Perplexity AI changes that. It's like Google combined with AI intelligence. Instead of just giving links, it gives direct answers with sources. For example, if you search, what are the best productivity habits? Perplexity summarizes the information instantly. No endless scrolling. No opening dozens of pages. For students, researchers, and curious learners, this tool can dramatically speed up information gathering. But meetings are another huge time killer. And the next AI tool solves that problem perfectly. Tool 6. Otter AI. Automatic meeting notes. Meetings can be exhausting, especially when you're trying to listen and take notes at the same time. Otter AI solves this problem. It records meetings and automatically converts speech into text. That means every conversation becomes a complete transcript. It can also highlight key moments, create summaries, identify speakers. So instead of worrying about missing something important, you can focus entirely on the conversation and later review the transcript anytime. For professionals who attend many meetings, Otter can easily save several hours each week. But marketers and business owners need something different. They need help writing content quickly. And that's where the next tool shines. Tool 7. Copy AI. Marketing content. Copywriting can take a lot of time. Writing ads, creating product descriptions, posting on social media. But Copy AI generates marketing content automatically. You just describe your product or idea. Then the AI creates ad copy email campaigns, social captions, product descriptions in seconds. It even generates multiple variations, so you can pick the best one. For businesses that constantly create content, this tool can save massive amounts of time. Now let's move into something really exciting. AI video creation. Tool 8. Runway ML. AI video editing. Video editing used to require hours of work. Cutting clips, removing backgrounds, adding effects. Runway ML uses AI to simplify all of this. Some of its powerful features include removing video backgrounds automatically, generating videos from text prompts, tracking objects in videos, adding AI effects. For creators and filmmakers, this tool can reduce editing time dramatically. Tasks that once took hours can now take minutes. But presentations are another huge time consumer. And the next AI tool solves that instantly. Tool 9. Tome AI. AI presentations. Imagine creating a full presentation in less than 1 minute. That's exactly what Tome AI does. You simply type something like, create a presentation about digital marketing trends, and the AI generates slides, design layouts, images, content, all automatically. This is incredibly useful for students, teachers, business professionals. Instead of spending hours designing slides, you get a ready-to-edit presentation instantly. Now let's talk about building websites. Tool 10. Durable AI. AI website builder. Building a website used to take days, or even weeks. But Durable AI can generate a complete website in under 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. You simply describe your business, and the AI creates website pages, images, text, contact forms. This is perfect for freelancers, startups, and small businesses that need an online presence quickly. But online meetings come with another problem: noise. Let's fix that. Tool 11. Krisp AI. Remove background noise. Have you ever been in an online meeting where someone's microphone picks up dogs barking, keyboard typing, street noise? Krisp AI eliminates these sounds automatically. It filters background noise in real time, so your voice stays clear and professional. This tool is especially useful for remote workers, podcasters, online teachers, and it works with apps like Zoom, Teams, and Discord. Now let's talk about something creators love: AI voices. Tool 12. ElevenLabs. Realistic AI voices. ElevenLabs is one of the most advanced AI voice generators available today. You can convert text into extremely realistic voice narration. Content creators use it for YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, podcasts, training videos. The voices sound natural, expressive, and human-like. Many creators now produce full videos using AI voice narration, saving hours of recording time. but visuals are just as important. And the next tool helps create stunning images. Tool 13. AI image generators. AI image generators have completely transformed digital creativity. Tools like Midjourney and other AI art platforms allow you to generate images from simple prompts. For example, you can type, "A futuristic city at sunset in cyberpunk style," and the AI generates stunning artwork. Designers use these tools to create concept art, generate social media visuals, design marketing graphics. Even people with no artistic experience can create professional-looking visuals. Now let's automate repetitive work. Tool 14. Zapier. AI automation. One of the biggest productivity killers is repetitive tasks. Things like copying data, sending reminders, updating spreadsheets. Zapier automates these workflows. For example, when someone fills out a form, automatically send an email. When a file is uploaded, save it to cloud storage. When you publish content, share it on social media. Automation like this can save hours every week. And once it's set up, it runs automatically. Now let's talk about the final tool. And it's one of the most powerful for content creators. Tool 15. Descript. Edit video by editing text. Descript completely changes how video editing works. Normally, editing video requires cutting clips manually. But Descript converts your video into text transcripts. Then you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and that part disappears from the video. It also includes automatic captions, screen recording, AI voice cloning, podcast editing tools. For YouTubers and podcasters, this tool can reduce editing time dramatically. Conclusion. AI tools are evolving faster than ever, and people who learn how to use them now will have a huge advantage in the future. Just a few years ago, tasks like writing content, designing graphics, editing videos, building websites required specialized skills. Today, AI can help anyone do these things in minutes. If you start using even a few of these tools, you could easily save 10 hours or more every single week. And imagine what you could do with that extra time. Build a business, create content, learn new skills, or simply enjoy more freedom. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content about AI tools and productivity. Also comment below, which AI tool surprised you the most? And if this video gets enough likes, I'll make another video showing 25 hidden AI tools that are even more powerful than these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.